Yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Benjamin stuffed all inside of my pants. She talking crazy, she out for them Zans. Try to flip on me, girl, I'ma just laugh. Need to be flipping them pots and them pants. Young nigga counting green, yeah. Remember when they doubted me, yeah. Now they all surrounding me, yeah. In your eyes, see jealousy, yeah. I'm stacking up all this cheese, and niggas hating on me, cause I'm who they wanna be. But I'm stacking up so I'll be just fine. Yeah, I'm racking up so I'll be just fine. I hear little voice that talk in my mind. Let's add it up and you'll be just fine. Hey, count it, show you how to act. Cut the haters off and that's how I subtract. Divide it with my team and get the money back. Need to start a class cause that's how you do math. Money talk, that's why I always run my trap. Wait, no. Money talk, that's why I always run my trap. Bullshit walk, that's why you walk into the cap. Money coming in, it's coming really fast. Stacking up every bit of my cake. Saving these bitches, let's get them a cake. Got a girl, I push these bitches away. I just wait. I had a girl, but she was a bitch. You know how that go. Anyway, look, hold up right now. You off that stuff right now. I bet you stuck right now. You off that stuff and you stuck and you wanting to fuck, cause them pills got you thinking you falling in love. Hey, if I call up them shotters, they all for your head. I've been off of a beam, I look like Walking Dead. Getting dough, that's the plan. I won't go broke again. And she like that I'm hot, cause she blows like a fan. I can sing, I can rap too. The teachers thought I was a damn fool, cause in the classroom, man, you do shit. But I was good at making music. Love it when I get into it. Sleeping on me, niggas drooling. I'ma show you how to do it. Swear them hundreds are the bluest. Sipping Texas tea, cup is always pink. Niggas hate on me, but they wanna be. Say just what I mean, I don't need a right. Looking at my chain, I can see the light. Oh, looking at my chain, I don't need a light. Stacking up my chips, my pockets looking thick. I'm looking at your bitch like I might need a strike. Yeah, like I might need a strike. I hit on the first night. Stacking up all this cheese, and niggas hating on me, cause I'm who they wanna be. But I'm stacking up so I'll be just fine. Yeah, I'm racking up so I'll be just fine. I hear a little voice that talk in my mind. They say add it up and you'll be just fine. Yeah.
Anh em chưa quen thôi.